the increment in poll spending by Government of India. Election Commission of India, keeping in mind the COVID-19 pandemic and the Bihar elections that is taking place amidst this pandemic, recommended Government of India to increase the poll spending by 10%. Subsequently, Law Ministry accepted the recommendation and Government of India increased poll spending by 10% in each constituency by the candidates. But in its notification, Government of India has not mentioned only because of COVID pandemic. That means unless and until this increment gets obsolete, till then this should be in functioning. Government of India did not mention that the increment is only because of the COVID-19 pandemic as recommended by Election Commission of India. So as the increment has increased, let's take a look what would be its effect in Lok Sabha as well as the assembly elections. Previously in parliamentary elections for member of parliament, every member of parliament aspirant from each constituency had a maximum ceiling of 70 lakh of rupees. Now with the 10% increment, they can spend up to 77 lakh rupees. In some regions such as your Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Goa, the ceiling number was at 54 lakh rupees. Along with all the UTs, your Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Goa, all UTs except the Union Territory of Delhi, all of these were having the ceiling value of 54 lakh rupees per constituency per candidate in the parliamentary elections. Now they can spend up to 59 lakh rupees. Similarly, in your assembly elections, in each and every constitutions, in each and every constituent, any aspirant could spend up to rupees 28 lakhs. In some regions, it is up to rupees 20 lakhs. Now with the increment, the ceiling power has been increased to 30.2 lakh rupees and here it has been increased to 22 lakhs rupees. So why this increment was recommended by Election Commission of India? As per the recent guidelines, while carrying out rallies, while organizing speeches, it is the candidate's duty to assure that the masks and sanitizers proper precautions regarding COVID-19 be carried out and must be in sufficient storage in regard to the crowd present. Therefore, the candidates will have to incur extra expenditure. Keeping this in mind, the Election Commission of India had provided a 10% upward ceiling because of COVID-19 pandemic. But remember, the Government of India notification by the Law Ministry has not mentioned the word because of COVID-19 pandemic. It has only increased. That means until and unless it has been struck down, this law would be in functioning.